Hi everyone, welcome. In this video I will show you how you can generate 3D style game assets for your mobile games, mobile app or your website. We build these tools where you can generate a prompt for creating a such kind of assets. Let me show you how these tools works. These tools have 13 categories and 100 plus items. You can select a category like you want a farming related assets or gaming UI and actions, weapons and battles, many and many items. Like we click choose the action, and here we have many options, and we can select any of one, and the 3D assets, the style controls, and here is the camera angle, mood, material, lightning, rarity, and the image ratio. So we also have to transparent background. Let me okay, and the mood, uh, battle ready, and the realistic, we can clean. Okay, as we select here and the change the settings, the prompt automatically will be generated. Okay, don't need any AI integration here. We will copy the prompt and simply come at our AI, and we will paste the prompt here, hit enter. Okay, as the image is generated started, let me show you the example we before generated. Here you can see the all prompts we generated from our tool, and here is the result of these images we build. Okay, here you can see the images generated, and here is the image result. And if you want to interested to get these tools, you can contact us on our telegram